Alright guys, so here we have a fairly new Corolla. Some pretty bad oxidation on it. You can see there's also some pretty fine scratches in it too. So you can see it's oxidized really bad in front here, so there's definitely not that much light getting out. So let's do it.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.